In this video, we'll be repairing this old cracked chimney for less than 20 bucks. This job would easily cost over $500 if you hired a mason to do it, but it's really easy to do yourself if you have some basic tools. You start by scraping out all the loose debris and mortar with a wire brush. Then you use a soft hair brush to clean out all the smaller bits, and you finish with a blower to clean out all the remaining bits of dust. The cleaner you get the chimney in this step, the better the patch mortar will stick. When that's done, you mix your mortar in a wheelbarrow or a bucket. We're using Stucco Patch by Rapid Set. This is my favorite mortar for stucco repairs because it's really easy to use and sets in about 20 minutes. You can apply the mortar with any flat trowel. Press the mortar hard into the crack as you scrape in different directions. What you want to do is fill the entire crack so water doesn't have a place to collect underneath the stucco. When that's done, wait 5 to 10 minutes for the mortar to get a little harder. Then start smoothing it out with a float. As you make circles with the float, apply a small amount of pressure into the patch to knock down any high or uneven spots. Finish up by smoothing the stucco with a damp sponge. Make sure to feather the edges really good into the block. If the edges are smooth, you won't see the patch after you paint it.